Hey everybody, George Chamberlin here watching your dollars on this Tuesday, the 29th of May. Hope you had a safe and sane Memorial Day weekend, had a chance to remember what we were actually celebrating, what we were remembering over the weekend, the men and women who gave the ultimate sacrifice to defend our liberties. It's back to work on this Tuesday morning, and we've got a lot of economic news rolling out this week, especially on the job market. We'll talk about that as the week progresses. But we just got out a report that's one of the more closely watched reports on home prices. It's called the Case-Shiller report. It's a couple of economist types, and it follows the movement in prices in the 20 largest metropolitan areas in the country, including San Diego. Mike, come on over here. We'll take a look at this chart here that shows you what's been going on. And again, this is really kind of interesting to take a look at. This is the growth period. This is when home prices were going up, 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 up. And then we got here to about 2006, started 2007. Look at that. Look at that. Boom! That's what you call a crash, folks. That's what you call a crash. But look at that. Boom! We've had a pretty good recovery in here. Bumped along, went up here. This would have been started 2011. We had been doing fairly well, and then we had a little correction in here. Then you can see the little end of it over here starting to move back up in here, and I'm one of those that believes it's going to get back up into here before too long. So anyway, let me tell you what all this means. That's and localize it for you here. According to this report, this measures what will give you the numbers for the first quarter. They're now finalizing the first quarter. It says during the first quarter of this year, home prices in San Diego were up 0.4%. Not much, but it's not a loss. They were up 0.4%. Nationwide, they were unchanged. And this is comparing the first 3 months of this year with the last 3 months of 2011. For all of for the past 12 months, we have seen that home prices here in San Diego down 2.7%, and that's pretty much smack dab in line with the national numbers as well. So again, it shows that prices in most metropolitan areas appear to have stopped going down. There were a couple areas where they did go down, the usual suspects, but for the most part we're seeing stability and an upward trend, which we've seen in a number of other reports as of late. So we'll keep an eye on that. It's a very important part of the economy, no doubt about that. Watching your dollars, I'm George Chamberlin. Have a good one.